Welcome to our assembly. We hope you enjoy because we're so excited to show you what we've been learning in Key Stage 2. Our text in English has been that I meant a story about a giant robot who befriends a young boy called Hogarth. We wrote you about approaching threats and we would like to share some with you. The trees were waving in the breeze on the cliff top. It was pitch black. The breeze was as cold as ice, and they heard a strange noise. The shadows shrouded the land below. People's eyes filled with fear as the people saw eyes like headlamps. People ran away from the strange giant shadow. The shadow of the strange giant was colossal. In maths, we have been learning place value of numbers. We have learned to compare and pull the numbers. We be counting in 50s. We have made balanced plate of food. We included protein, dairy, carbohydrate, fruit and veg and fatty food.
In my plate included a yogurt, what's a dairy food, bread, what is a carbohydrate, food, green beans, what's a vegetable, beef, what's a protein, and a burger, what's a fatty food.
In humanities, we have been learning about prehistory. We have learned prehistory is a period of time before written history, even before Jesus was born. We did a historical inquiry about an item from the Stone Age. We guessed what it was and what it was used for. I thought it was a ranger skull. I thought it was a helmet.
We did some research to find out what it was and what it was used for.
We discovered it was a disco, what people used in the Stone Age for hunting. They'll disguise themselves as deer and try and kill and eat one. We have been enjoying learning Spanish and would like to share with you a Spanish piece of songs that we have been learning.
Adiós, hasta
going to be making an animal toy what opens its mouth or next minute. We have learned that pneumatics is moving from one place to another and making something move. Here is my design of a pig. Here's my plan of my unicorn. In the AAT, we have been learning emotions like happy, sad, excited, anger. We've talked about the things that we'll achieve by the end of year 3. I would like to learn how to speak a different language. I would like to learn to play the piano.
I would like to draw the Titanic.
I would love to hug my teachers at the end of year 3. I would like to learn my 9 times tables. In PE, we have been learning to throwing, catching and movements to block other opponents. Here's an example of a game you played where you cannot move if you have the ball in your hands. The aim is to get the beanbag into the other side's hoop and protect your opponents from getting the beanbag in your hoop. Thank you for watching Year 3's assembly. We hope to continue having as much fun as we have had so far.